How to set custom ringtone on WhatsApp Android. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to set custom ringtone on WhatsApp Android. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, open settings on your Android device. Once the settings page opens, scroll down and locate apps. Open apps. On the section, tap App Management at top of the screen. Wait for a while until every application gets loaded. And then tap on the search bar at top of the screen. Now type in the WhatsApp application. Open it. Here you need to tap on Manage Notifications option. Make sure you have allowed the notifications on WhatsApp. Scroll down. And here you got the option for ringtone. Tap on it and make sure to toggle the button on. After that, you need to select message notifications and here select ringtone. After that, currently it has been set to default. In order to set custom ringtone on WhatsApp, tap on this device. And here you have to select any music or recordings from here. So let's select any one. After that, it has already been set to the custom ringtone on WhatsApp for messages. For a group, you can do the same by going to the group notifications, selecting ringtone and choosing the custom ringtone. That's it. Thank you for watching.